reason we seek for Planview-like solution was to get some metrics at the program level. So when we do quarterly planning or just like deciding of the priorities that we would work on for the next quarters, you need that. Like those KPIs, like you have to measure. Once you measure, you can adapt. When it comes to having multiple teams contributing to a single initiative and all those dependencies, how can we make sure that we're able to push towards our team what makes sense in terms of load? And when it's clear for everyone that this is the limit that we don't want to exceed, it leads to the needed conversation about, hey, if you want us to trade that in, what do we trade out? The UI itself is used in our different rituals. Sometimes it's a PO pulling, a metric to show how they did, in a specific sprint. Sometimes it's at the program management to see, hey, the changes that we did last time, what are the positive impacts that we're getting out of those changes? And that's where it's becoming super powerful, because now you can celebrate a change in trend, and that helps also with like keeping that continuous improvement mindset. There's a false perception that putting pressure for the team to tackle this other thing and take it as a priority will get you to the finish line quicker, when it's slowing down everything. And this is where being able to measure that and expose that, instead of becoming a feeling, people feeling that it's taking a long time or that we can improve here and there, we can actually show these trends, these metrics, and that becomes a driving factor for changing processes. And instead of fighting against perceptions, it's a data-driven process.